Hi, I'm Jocelyn.
And I'm Uli, and we are guides working for the City of Parramatta.
Today we're representing Parramatta Bush Care at Third Settlement Reserve on the lovely Upper Toongabbie Creek. This is an Allocasuarina. You would know this tree as a she oak, and it grows along Parramatta's waterways. This tree is called after an Australian bird called a cassowary. When the wind blows through these needle-like branches of the tree, it looks like the feathers of the cassowary. Taking a closer look at these needles, you'll see that they're joined together with a little light-coloured join. This light-coloured join is actually the true leaf of the Allocasuarina. This leaf has a great advantage, or gives the Allocasuarina a great advantage in the harsh Australian bush. It means that less water is used by the tree. Other adaptations of the Allocasuarina include these, I'll just get them, hard seeds. If you have a close look at these seed pods, you'll see that they're very hard. It takes an Australian bird with a strong curved beak, such as the black cockatoo, to open these seed pods and get the seeds out. Another adaptive feature of the Allocasuarina is the bark. It is a hard furrowed bark that protects the wood of the tree and stops insects and the harsh Australian environment eating into the wood.